What is happening, everybody? TC here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, smkw.com, and today it's all about neck knives. Top 5 neck knives right here at SMKW. Let's light it up. We're going to get into our top 5 neck knives that I went through and picked in the store this morning. And first of all, is going to be this one that I've been wearing, and I've been really digging this one. This is the CRKT Minimalist. This is one of the best neck knives out there. It's supremely ergonomic and just a delight to carry, hold, wear around the neck, wear on the belt. I've got probably 5 different Minimalists, and they come in all different varieties with different blade shapes and that kind of thing. Let's take a look at this one up close right here. So this is the CRKT Minimalist. Now this one is the spear point version that they just came out with a couple of years ago, and or early last year. And this one's been really popular. So a little bit thicker blade stock on this one, a little bit different blade shape, but you can get this in a bowie shape, you can get it in a cleaver, you can get it in like a Persian shape. So many different options and different blade materials. This one in particular right here is coming in with, I believe, 8 CR13 MOV. And I mean, it's a phenomenal knife. And it just works. Blade length is 2.15 inches. Blade thickness on this one is 0.15 inches. And the ergonomics are fantastic, especially with that lanyard that comes on this knife. Now this one comes with the molded plastic sheath right here and the lanyard already attached to it if you want to. And the way that I've always carried a Minimalist has been with a belt clip on the sheath, on this sheath right here. With the holes right there, you can mount any universal clip that you want to, and it works great. But I gotta say, wearing this as a neck knife has been really good. The retention's great. I have never had this thing fall out. I've never had it pull and come out. It stays where I need it to, and it's really easy to grab when I need to use it. It's also easy to get back in the sheath right there, and like I said, the retention's really good. And this one in particular comes in at $29.95. You're gonna find the Minimalist anywhere from there to around 50 bucks. And like I said, there's a lot of different versions with different blade steels. We've got them in D2. So you can find a lot of different really cool versions like that from that Alan Foltz design, and I really dig that. Moving on to our next one, and this has also been one of my favorite knives that I've had over the last couple of years. This one in particular is not one that I've had. I've actually got the G-Necker. This one is the G-CLEAVER right here. And same concept, same kind of thing. So it comes with the Kydex molded sheath and the lanyard right there. Makes it really easy to carry. The Kydex actually has the drain hole in the bottom right there that you can see. And this thing is fantastic. I absolutely love this cleaver design. This one's coming in with ELMAX on the blade steel right there. And really thick stock. All of these knives coming in under 100 bucks. This one features a 2.25 inch cleaver blade with the satin finish, stonewash finish rather. And it's 5.85 inches overall, weighs just 2.75 ounces right there. And made in the USA by BRADFORD knives, and really dig that knife right there. Super easy, and you can add a lanyard onto that, and it's going to make this a great EDC fixed blade right there. Absolutely love that thing. Up next is going to be the Tops MSK. That's Mini Scandi Knife, and I really dig this thing. I love Tops. I love everything that they do, and they make incredible knives that are insanely robust, even knives as small as this one right here. So let's take a look at that one up close. Now this one's coming in with the Kydex sheath as well. Got the drain hole in the bottom. Also comes with the Tops whistle that you know and love. And this one comes with the ball and chain lanyard right there. And really cool departure from the usual paracord lanyard. Now this one's coming in with 1095 carbon steel on the blade. 3 inches on that blade length, and of course a Scandi grind. Everyone knows I love a Scandi grind, especially for an outdoor knife like this. Super sharp right out of the box, and ergonomically this thing fits in the hand really well. At least in mine, I can almost get that fourth finger on there, not quite, but that makes this a great candidate for a nice lanyard off the back of that thing. Full tank fixed blade, black linen micarta on the handle. We've also got this one in tan as well, and stainless steel with the hardware right there. Brass lanyard too, and this is just a fantastic knife. Another great option for an EDC fixed blade as a neck knife. Again, not too heavy. This one's coming in at around 2.5, 3 ounces, maybe a little bit more, and coming in at just $94.95. Again, under $100. You get a great, very reputable brand and a fantastic EDC fixed blade that is going to be extremely durable. Up next is going to be one of my favorite of all time, and that's going to be from MKM, and that's the MKM MICRO 2 right there. Absolutely love this knife. It's very well done and very small, unobtrusive. I absolutely love this thing. Let's take a look at this one up close right here and go over those specs. Now this one's coming in at just $84.90, the MKM MICRO. This one's in the natural micarta, got the nice anodized like hardware collar right there, screw collar. And this one's coming in with M390 on the blade steel as well. It's 4.33 inches overall, just 1.44 ounces. Has the black leather sheath, and this is why I think this one's so cool. So it's extremely versatile. First of all, you can wear this as a neck knife. It's going to come with a leather lanyard right there, and you can wear it as a neck knife, but you can also carry this as a pocket fixed blade very simply. All you have to do is put it in there just like that. That is magnetic right there, so it just pops closed, and you can actually slide this down in your pocket and put the magnetic clip just over the edge of your pocket. It's going to secure it nice and easily right there, and then you can just pull the knife out. Super simple, just like that. Just a fantastic little fixed blade. I think this one's an awesome option, designed by Jesper Voxnays right there, and coming in at $84.90. Premium materials, like I said, M390 on the blade steel. Love the micarta on the handles, and that is a fantastic option under $100. And last, but certainly not least, now this one's the biggest one, and this one's probably going to be the most obtrusive. I could have picked a smaller one from this company, but I like this one and what it offers better than the other one, and that is going to be the ESEE IZULA. And this one's been insanely popular for a really long time. Now, to get this in a neck knife version, now we do sell the regular ESEE IZULA. That's going to come with the belt clip. But to make it neck knife ready out of the box, you're going to need to get the one with the survival kit. And that's the one that we've got right here. Let's take a look up close right here. ESEE IZULA right there. And this is the Desert Tan with the survival kit. Now, what the survival kit is going to include, you're going to see the clip, the lanyard. You're going to see several different attachment methods, including some split rings, including some different attaching like screws, and also some carabiners that are going to go along with it, along with the ESEE survival card as well. Now, this is going to be a really good option, and this is going to be the most robust and biggest fixed blade on this list. It's going to be a full 4-finger grip fairly easily. 1095 carbon steel on that one, and it's going to be coated. Now, we've got several different versions of this. We've got it in the green, we've got it in the black, we've got it in the lime green. I think we've got it in the orange. We've also got it in the Desert Tan, FDE. So a lot of different options to fit whatever your loadout looks like. And whatever you're wearing, you can accessorize this thing if that's what you want to do. So fantastic little EDC right here, and it's going to fit really good in the hand. It's also going to work really good as an EDC right there. Coming in at 6.125 inches overall. Blade length is 2.75 inches, blade thickness 0.15 inches, and again, like I said, 1095 carbon steel. This thing's going to be solid. Weighs a little over 2 ounces there. And just another fantastic neck knife option. Let us know in the comments down below what you think about neck knives. Would you ever wear one? Are they convenient for you? If you already do wear one, let us know what you like about it. Now, I think this offers a phenomenal option. It's extremely convenient. I know I've met a lot of guys in the bushcraft community that love wearing neck knives. It makes things super convenient and gives them a little bit more real estate as far as other things on their belt, on their pack, on their loadout, that kind of thing. So it is a great option, and I gotta say, I'm honestly coming around to it. But let us know in the comments down below if you have experience using a neck knife. What do you find that it helps you with? What do you really like about it? And let us know which ones you prefer. That's what we want to hear in the comments down below. As always, folks, I'm TC here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, smkw.com. And remember, if it cuts like a neck knife, then we carry it.